So now we are going to read a dialogue. So you may try writing one on your own using the phrases and the words that we learnt. So this dialogue is about a person going to buy some vegetables. So it is between three people. We have three characters here: Lee, Riley and Lavondius. So you must try to write dialogues like this on your own. So just keep some general scenarios. So in this case, they are going to buy vegetables. You may now you have learned directions, right? So you can try to write a dialogue where someone asks you for directions to your school or to your street, and you can explain. So this is how you practice writing composition, that is dialogues and essays. You have to just take some general scenarios. So are you ready to read this for a sample? So the first one, the first utterance is by Lee. Je cherche des avocats. I search for the avocados. Je prépare une salade aujourd'hui. I am going to prepare a salad today. So I am searching for avocado. So Riley replies, Oh, je n'aime pas les avocats. I do not like les avocats. Je les trouve sans goût. I find them without taste, tasteless. So this person doesn't like that particular vegetable. Je les trouve sans goût. I find it without taste. So next, Lee says, voici les avocats frais. The word frais means fresh. Voici les avocats frais. So they have spotted what they need. Madame, mettez-moi 1 kilo d'avocats s'il vous plaît. Madame, can you give me 1 kilo d'avocat? Like I told you, when we are buying a particular fruit or a vegetable, we denote the quantity in kilos. 1 kilo d'avocat s'il vous plaît. And the vendor says, et avec ça, and with it. So he replies, Je voudrais, I want, des tomates, some tomatoes, et des pommes de terre, and some potatoes. So these are words we have already learnt. So je voudrais des tomates et des pommes de terre. So the vendor says, 1 kilo de chaque légume. Chaque means each. So 1 kilo of each vegetable. Lee says, Oui, merci. Now this conversation is not complete. Only the first half of the conversation is over. So what is the first half demanding? Asking for the price, the quantity. So the price, the quantity and the object. So we have asked all our questions. The second part is the payment part. So you have to ask them, how much does it cost? So that would be the second part. So once again we will read this first half of the conversation and we will frame the second half. So the first one, once again read it along with me. So Lee says, Je cherche des avocats. Je prépare une salade aujourd'hui. Riley says, Oh, je n'aime pas les avocats. Je les trouve sans goût. Then Lee says, voici les avocats frais. Madame, mettez-moi 1 kilo d'avocats s'il vous plaît. So the vendor asks, et avec ça? Lee says, je voudrais des tomates et des pommes de terre. Le vendeur, 1 kilo de chaque légume. Lee, oui, merci. So the next question Lee has to ask is, the cost. So I told you there are different ways of asking for the cost. So now Lee has to ask, how much does it cost? So one way is, ça fait combien? Ça fait combien? How much does it cost? So the Rondeus answers C0. So now we have asked for the price and we have got the price. The next part of shopping is the mode of payment. So we have already learnt the basic rules, that is, when should we pay in cash, when should we pay using the card. So I will now complete this dialogue by writing about the mode of payment.